Hey Xio Gals! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am here with Gaby T MUA.
Hello!
And today we are going to be doing a get ready with me for New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve edition.
Yes, so a lot of you Xio Gals got our December It's Lit bag. So we're kind of going to show you how to dress the pieces up using obviously the pieces, and we are going to be featuring
The new Alamar palette,
Yes.
which is super exciting. This is my new one. This is volume 2. It is very inspired by festivities and the nightlife. So I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve. It was actually a really good idea to combine the two.
Yes.
And there's a lot of color in here. I think we were kind of both inspired by the same thing. Like your holiday collection was super colorful.
All about color.
Right, because it's all about just like the lights and the festivities and the litness of the holidays.
And I really like the way that these pieces look since they're all colorful with like black or white, like very neutral, keeping the clothes very neutral, and then adding these pieces for the pop of color, and then combining it with like a
colorful
nice
makeup. I'm the same way.
Yeah, and I saw a lot of you Xio Gals wearing your colorful pieces for Christmas.
I did.
So,
I certainly did.
Oh yeah, Gabby wore hers too. And you know what? A little sneaky peeky. We are thinking about and probably going to be offering. So now all of our Xio bags are all gold, and now we're going to be offering a silver option.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
So
for people that are silver people, There's people that prefer. I am a gold girl.
Me too.
I like having gold. I feel like the only thing about me that isn't gold is my ring. But everything else I like. I like how I look good in gold.
Too. I like
but some people do like silver, so it's really awesome that you're offering that. That's
so
awesome.
Okay, gal. So we are gonna start getting ready. Do you have a look that you want to do in mind?
I do. So I wore a look recently to a pop-up that I had at the makeup club, and it was like a really intense dark plum smoky eye. And it was using the shade Damas right here, which is like a burgundy shade, and then in the crease was the shade Flamingo, which is this coral, which funnily enough, Flamingo is actually the color of the year. So Pantone, isn't that cool? Yeah. Pantone declared like fresh coral the color of 2019.
You're always on trend.
I'm always on trend and I didn't even try. No, but it's good luck to wear the color of the year on New Year's. Yeah, because it's like you're with it, you're with the vibes.
My eye is just going to this mojito color because I love anything that shimmers. That's probably why I love jewelry, because I just love to sparkle.
You love sparkle,
and glow.
man.
Anything that's gold and sparkly and glowy, I'm like,
you're like,
yes.
ooh, attracted to
I'm
it.
all about it. So this color mojito is calling my name, and I think that it would pair really nicely with this black top.
And the fact that like the little green and the necklace in gold, I love green and gold together.
So do I.
Like it's like so, I feel like it's such a good look, like
so
leprechaun.
I love it.
I love it too. All right, I'm gonna start by moisturizing. My face is extremely dry.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh my god, you guys, I'm scared. I haven't done my makeup, I feel like, in so long. Like, full-blown makeup.
Yeah,
so I'm kind of scared. I feel like, oh my god, did I forget how to do makeup? Okay, so I'm thinking I might do like, I'm gonna go smoky. I'm gonna go in.
You're gonna go in. You're gonna go in. I recommend you do the black because I really like when you have a black lower lash line. So I'm gonna make you do that.
Oh, like a full black smoky eye?
No. Go green. Go green.
Yeah.
But like black lower black lower lash line. Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer in my crease.
I'm gonna start by doing my foundation because I need to start there.
Oh, and I'm using the Ojitos brushes.
The new ones.
Yes, look how cute and
So wait, hold on. What's going on? You're not gonna prime your eyelids?
No, I'm just gonna.
No.
Well, no.
Absolutely not.
No, the thing is that I was gonna use a base.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Because I want it to look really, really dark.
Gotcha,
so I'm gonna do a base, like a dark
Never
base.
not prime your eyelids.
No, I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna do it after. Right now, I'm just gonna go in with a little bronzer.
I'm going to do some foundation. I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is like the freaking best foundation. I love it so much.
Okay. And now we have to chat because we're not just gonna keep them staring at us.
Of course. What do you want to talk about? There's so many things to talk about. You want to talk about your baby? You want to talk about your business? You want to talk about your birthday?
Well, since this is the Xio channel, I kind of wanted to give you guys a little backstory. So my grandmother's name is Xiomara, and ever since I was little, she was always like dressing me up in jewelry, and like I was always dripping in gold and bracelets, and ever since I was really, really little, if you see like baby pictures of me, like I have so many gangarias.
Xiomara's about that gaudy Cuban life.
She's all about that accessory life. So she really instilled that love of jewelry in me. And when I was deciding, like, I think I always had like a little jewelry thing on the side.
Yeah,
ever since I was like
jewelry.
in high school, and I used to make like little bracelets and stuff. But then I decided to really go into the jewelry thing, and I'm like, I want to start a jewelry company. I want to sell jewelry. I love this, and I feel like you are given gifts or like wants and passions for a reason. So I really wanted to pursue that. And one time I went to lunch with Gabby, and I was like, okay, I'm thinking of starting a jewelry company. What should I name it? And she's like, you should name it something really cool where like the letters don't really sound
like what you think it's gonna be.
Yeah, like some people see it and they're like, oh, XIO, and it's like, no,
you have to know what it is. You have to be in on it. Like you have to know about it to be like, it's Xio, like duh.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
And since my grandma's name is Xiomara, and a lot of people call her Xiomi or Xio, Gabby's like, oh my god, you should totally name it Xio. And that's how Xio, the name.
And I'm all about like because to me, business is not just like, oh, I own a business. It's like an extension of who you are. It should be something very meaningful so that you're actually invested. And you know, I wanted her to name it after something that meant a lot to her. Like a part of the reason why you hustle so hard is because your grandma taught you to. You know?
Yeah, she raised me. So everything.
And she's always owned her own business. She owns her own salon, which my mom also owns a salon. So it was just kind of like name it after the people that instilled our drive in us. So yeah, I'm really happy. I love the name Xio. I think it is
Thank you. I love it too.
It's awesome, and I'm sure you get a lot of questions about it. But once you explain it, I think that it makes people connect even more to your brand.
I'm really happy with it. So then, you guys were loving the jewelry so much. Sorry, I look a little crazy now, but I'm setting down this base so that my eye can be like intense.
Yeah.
So you guys were loving the jewelry so much that I was like, you know what? What I really wanted to do was like, I wanted to curate boxes for them.
Right.
Because a lot of you guys, they're like, oh, I love jewelry, but I don't think I could pull this off. I don't think I could wear this. And I want to show you guys, like, yes, you can.
You give them a whole look, a whole vibe.
Yeah. And then this way, you all get, like, kind of like the same boxes. Well, no, all the boxes are the same. You guys are going to get the same things. But then when you see, like, your favorite bloggers wearing it and how they style it, you're like, wow, I already have those pieces. And it's a whole collection. And that way you can build your collection. And it's only $60 a month, and you're getting 4 pieces of like, well, 3 to 4 pieces of like really good quality jewelry.
Sterling silver, never gonna turn on you jewelry.
So that's how the subscription was born, and I am super excited for you guys to see what we have coming down the line because
I'm really glad you did the subscription too, because people could actually try the product and see the quality without having to commit to like one piece, you know, because one piece is pricey. So if you get to, for $60, guys, like all of those pieces, and then you get to see the quality, how it works. Like they're all dainty and beautiful, and you can wear them all the time. All I wear is my Xio stuff.
And the good thing is too that if you don't like one of the pieces, maybe you can like gift it to someone, or like they make great gifts even for the holidays. You know what a lot of people were doing? They were buying the bag and then they were splitting it up.
And then each item in the Xio bag comes in its own bag. Yeah. Like its own like nice pretty bag. That's a gift in itself.
We have a video where I do a little unboxing. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description of the December bag.
This is like that weird. I saw something on Twitter that's like, this is that weird week in between everybody's life that you're like, what's happening? Like that week between Christmas and New Year's.
Oh my God.
Very confusing.
Yesterday I woke up and I was like,
what day is it?
Yeah. What month are we in? It didn't even feel like a work week. I was like, hold on, what's going on?
Whenever you get a cream product somewhere you don't want it and it starts to set, just take a synthetic brush and polish it away, and it'll kind of fade it. Like you see, it's gone.
Perfect. Gabby always has the best tricks and tips.
It's gone.
So Gabby actually used to do YouTube, and now she's starting it up again because she kind of like fell off.
Yeah, first of all, I didn't just fall off. I disappeared from the face of YouTube planet for like 3 years.
Yeah, I used to vlog too. I used to vlog too, but then I just felt like, well, I got so busy. I started working at BoxyCharm.
As did I.
And then, you know, I got pregnant, I got married, I got just a lot of things.
A lot of things.
And I just didn't have time to vlog anymore, and I felt like I was putting up videos very sporadically, and you guys were used to like my consistent uploads, and I just didn't want to be flaky.
And it just takes a lot of time out of your day, and it was just, I don't know, my heart wasn't in it.
That's another thing.
My heart wasn't in it, and I'm being realistic. It felt like a chore, and I don't have the discipline to do things I don't want to do. I know that sounds bad, but if I don't want to do it, I'm not going to do it. But now I actually want to. I'm looking forward to it, and I want to create content that's going to help you guys better use my products. Yeah, so I'm into it.
Yeah, same here. I want to be able to create content that's like fun, and we talk about fashion and style and makeup, and
we actually enjoy doing it. That's why we wanted to film together, because I'm like, that's actually gonna make it fun. I don't want to be alone. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I put down a little bit of sticky primer. I like using the Pure Get a Grip, and now I am just applying a little bit of concealer over that. I like to layer my primers because I feel like primer is half the work. Like, you need a good foundation if you want to get the most out of your eyeshadows. That's just like a 100%. So I did a little bit of a sticky base and then a little bit of concealer just to give me a lot of tackiness so that my eyeshadows can actually adhere to my eyes. And I did that all using my new brush. This is the middle brush from the new Trio. It's like a little bit flat but still fluffy, so it's good for packing on color and for blending.
I wanted to talk about how you have on your palette like the little water drop and the little what is
The
that?
little moon.
The little moon.
Mm-hmm.
So with the water droplet, we want to use those shadows wet.
You could use them wet, yeah. So I include next to all the shimmers a little water droplet, so you know that you can wet your brush with those if you want to. You absolutely don't have to, but you will get more pigment out of them. And then the little moon next to the mattes just signifies that you could use it dry. And there's a key on the back of your palette, so if you ever forget, it's there. Okay, let's talk about that pigmentation one time.
Yeah, literally. Wow. I'm telling you guys, Gabby just has that eye for products.
Thank you, my love.
You
I love
are
it so much.
so
It's because I really,
good.
really, really love it. Like, I dream in color. Color is like my favorite thing on this earth.
You are so good.
So I added the mirror because that was like the #1 complaint that I received last time. Like, oh my god, I love it. I just wish I had a mirror. I wish I had a mirror. So I was like, okay, I got you. I did my research and I figured out a way that I could include it without breaking my bank.
And it's a good mirror.
It's
not
a good
like,
quality. It's not a funhouse mirror.
No, it's not like those mirrors that you go, you open the palette and it's like just on your eye.
And you look
get
warped.
the one eye, you're like.
Alright, I am blending out that flamingo color.
I love intense eye looks. Like, I really love intense eye looks.
I think that these shadows work really good when you kind of like pat them and then blend them, because you get that initial pigment down. Like, that's a lot of that's some pigmented eye right there.
Wow, Gabby, this is so nice. This
It
is the
looks
first time that I'm
beautiful.
using
This is the first time she uses it, yeah.
Wow, I love it. And it makes me so happy when I see you guys wearing the pieces. Like, over the holidays, I was like, oh my god.
She was freaking out on Christmas Eve.
Yeah, I saw so many of you guys wearing the pieces and I was like, it like really, it's humbling. Like, it really
Yeah.
warmed my heart. I'm like, I can't believe that you guys, like, you're so nice.
And it's like all of your effort comes to fruition.
Yeah, and when you guys love it and you say like all these nice things, it just really makes me so, so, so happy.
All right, so while we were offset,
Away, changing a baby's diaper.
changing a baby's diaper, so you guys couldn't hear the crying, Ylette finished off her eye look. I completed my eye look. It was super easy, literally just 2 shades. The dark burgundy blended into the flamingo shade. Now I'm gonna highlight Ylette. I'm using, from my first palette, La Costa. Did you notice that in this palette, you have La Costa, which is a really nice highlighter for fair skin. And then in this palette, you have Tumbao, which is a really nice highlighter for dark skin.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
I wanted to give them a little bit of both, you know? Oh, okay, you're gonna have to go over your eyebrow. I got a little bit of highlighter in your eyebrow. I'm sorry. Okay, Ylette's gonna talk to you guys for a bit while I focus in and do this eye without getting distracted.
So, another thing that we have been doing is we've been sending out these really informative, really cool newsletters which offer little secret discount codes. So, if you guys are not subscribed to our newsletter, you should go on our website and subscribe to the newsletter, because the newsletter is where it's at. Usually, if we have like brand new products launching or dropping, all of those that are subscribed to our newsletter find out first.
Yeah, so you guys get first dibs.
Yeah, you guys get first dibs on everything. And another really cool thing that we have, and it's only for our Xio Bag members, is that we offer 20% off on our site all the time. So just for being a member, you
So it's like a club, like you're in a club.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking when I created the whole Xio thing. I wanted it to feel like an exclusive club. So yeah, we offer 20% off our site just for being a member at all times. So every new drop that goes on our site, you get 20% off. So my sister's having a huge New Year's Eve party this year, and that's where we're headed.
Yeah, she's been hyping it up for months. So we've been excited and getting our outfits together and all that. I got a sparkly jumpsuit.
Oh, I got a sparkly 2-piece like crop
I know,
top
it's
with a-
amazing.
yeah.
I was like, oh, I want it.
You know what? I'm going to do a smoky silver.
Oh, I'm gonna do a smoky. I think I'm gonna do something like this, or just like all black and like.
Yeah, I want to do something like that, but incorporate like the silver.
You're gonna wear azucan?
Yeah,
That's like the most intense
azucan
silver.
and caballero, something. I'm gonna mix it up.
That would look beautiful.
So we are almost pretty much done with our look. I just need to add a little bit of highlight, which is my favorite part.
And I am adding some of that dark burgundy shade to my lower lash line. Just blending away.
My favorite part about getting ready for the night after I've done my makeup is literally putting on my jewelry. I'm not just saying this because you know this is a jewelry channel, but I love it so much. It's my favorite thing.
I had my jewelry planned out for most things before I even have my outfit. Like I have like my choker and I'm like, I want to wear this choker, and then I plan my outfit around.
I love that. Oh my god. Hey.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm almost done. Let me catch up real quick. I'm gonna highlight my face really fast. I'm looking for a brush. I'm gonna take my same Ojitos the new Ojitos brush from I literally have, I'm not exaggerating, like unlimited amounts because I use them for different things. So I'm gonna dip this one into La Costa right here, and I'm gonna highlight my face with that.
Okay guys, so we are all done with our makeup looks.
We went pretty bold.
Yes, really intense, and I actually love the way that it turns out. And now I'm going to be accessorizing Gabby with the products that you guys got in your December It's Lit bag. So you guys should definitely wear them on New Year's Eve. And if you do, tag us. Always make sure to tag us because I love sharing all of your looks on our Instagram stories. So now we are going to accessorize Gabby. She has a beautiful bare neck, and we are going to be starting with our emerald dangle necklace, which is from this December It's Lit bag. And the cool thing is that if you got any of our products from our November bag, they also look really beautiful layered with all of these new pieces. So if you're wearing anything on New Year's Eve that is very basic and you want to, you know, add a little zhuzh, you want to zhuzh it up, these pieces are perfect. Look at that.
This was one of my favorites.
Beautiful.
I wear it tight enough so it looks like a choker.
And this looks really pretty with that green smoky eye that I just did.
Beautiful.
I love it alone, but if you want to get a little crazy with it and you want to add more because layering is so in right now, you can go ahead and add the rainbow bar necklace.
Favorite.
Also, the good thing about this jewelry, if you notice here, it comes with an extension so that you can wear it at different lengths. So this one I put on the shortest one, and then I'm gonna do the rainbow bar a little bit longer so that it hangs just below this one. So as you can see here, I hung this one a little bit lower so that it gives you that nice layered look, and it's not too close together, so you can definitely see, like, you know, this piece stands on its own and it's very beautiful, and then this one of course gives you that little pizzazz. So then we are also going to be adding this gorgeous bracelet that is part of the bag this month. Let me get your hand.
There you go.
This is a drawstring bracelet, which is really nice because you can adapt it to various wrist sizes. Here we have the finished look. Gabby is wearing 3 of the pieces in the bag this month. And here I paired the rainbow bar necklace with this really pretty star because I feel like it gives it a really festive look for New Year's Eve. Nice and glowy, and you guys can pair it with so many different necklaces, so many different pieces that you already own from our collection. That's the cool thing about this new layered jewelry trend. Okay, Xio Gals, so I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with us today and that you got some inspo for your New Year's Eve looks. These are our looks. I think they look pretty fabulous.
I love them. And I think that it's so cool that since the pieces are dainty, you can really layer them up and you can wear whatever earrings you want. You could wear hoops like me. You could wear studs like Ylette.
Yes.
And they don't like contradict. Yeah, they don't clash.
I love it.
I love it too.
I definitely always like more of a bold look.
Oh no, I like to do as many necklaces as possible and then hoops. That's my favorite.
Let me know if you guys like this video, if you want to see more videos like these, if you want to see Gabby as a regular on this channel.
I would love to be a regular on this channel.
I feel like you're going to be a regular on this channel.
Same as her with mine.
Alright, bye.
Bye guys, see you soon.